We're going to take a look at the rendered frame window controls now. Once you've assigned MentalRay as your active renderer, when you render a view by clicking the Render Production button, you'll see some extra goodies at the bottom of the rendered frame window. And these only appear when you have MentalRay as your active renderer. And the way these work is better quality is achieved by moving these sliders to the right, and lower precision quality is achieved by moving the sliders to the left. And you'll see you've got controls for the image precision, for shadows, for reflections and refractions, and all kinds of stuff on here. One thing that I would recommend is when you're doing test renders to go over here and choose iterative rendering. And this just means it's not going to save any files, and it's turned off a couple of other settings that are designed for final output. So while you're testing, you should choose iterative mode. Additionally, you can turn this user interface on and off by clicking this button that says Toggle UI. So let's say we wanted to create a draft mode rendering setup. I can turn these sliders down, maybe turn off Final Gather completely, and turn some of these other things just completely off, or maybe set to a very low level. And once I've set all these settings, then I can create a preset so I can easily and quickly get back to that. So up here you will see presets. So I can click here and choose Save and Store Preset File. So I'll call this one Draft and press Enter. Now it asks me which aspects of the render do you want to store in this preset. I'll say we'll store all of those settings. So that now I can choose these different presets and load them in. I can go back to my own that I've just done, load that back in, and it remembers all the settings. And so that's how you can handily create and recall render presets within the rendered frame window controls.